Oakley Sutro Owner's Review. Hey gang, this is Mike with My Real Estate Dojo, and today I want to give you an honest review of an Oakley Sutro 24k prism lens sunglasses that I bought from Oakley, and I want to give you an honest review. Let me tell you that these glasses are amazing, guys. I just love Oakley's because of the quality that they provide, on the technology and the safety that it comes with. Like, it's kind of like having eye insurance whenever you're riding bicycles. Okay, so I bought this too for my bicycle when I ride bicycles, because I usually do like 50 miles every time I go out, but I come home with like red eye because all kinds of stuff flies into my eye. So I eventually decided to get some sunglasses. I normally buy like cheap glasses, but this time I decided to step my game up and get some nice glasses. And I bought Oakley, and the service was amazing, the quality was amazing, so I ended up buying all the glasses that they had for cycling.
Real quick, download my free book, Real Estate Investing for Beginners, the ultimate starter guide at myrealestatedojo.com, where I teach you how to find motivated sellers, buy their homes at a deep discount, and then have the seller become your own private bank. Subject to, get it now. One more thing, if you're looking for private one-on-one help when it comes to real estate investing, then consider joining my academy, where you sit down with me one-on-one. 2, you get monthly coaching. 3, you get access to my best-selling courses. 4, you get access to my video library, and then the list goes on, for just $97 a month. Join me now at MrNoFluff.com. Lastly, the best six-figure side hustle, bicycle flipping. Want to see how? Here's a behind-the-scene video how I did it. Go to thebestsidehustle.mrnofluff.com. Now let's get back to the content.
They had for cycling, because that's what I do. Just because I was a big fan of their customer service. So this is their Prizm Technology 24k gold, and I gotta tell you, it is an amazing sunglass. Okay, it's super light. The lenses are interchangeable. You just pull this little thing up, this thing flips out, you can change the lenses, and it's one of those things that I put into my eye and I totally forget that I have them on, which is amazing. And the other thing is that it's super light, super comfortable. The contrast of these prism lenses really make things pop out, and it makes it so much. That's why I bought the whole collection. Okay, now you really can't tell here because of, you kind of need UV light to activate these sunglasses. Okay, but overall, I give Oakley a 10 out of 10. I'm a super big fan of them. Yeah, remember, I bought this with my own money. This is not a sponsor. I didn't get paid to do this. I'm just spending, actually I spend a lot of money on Oakley sunglasses, and I really think they're worth it, right? And so if something is worth it, I'll let you know. If something is a fluff, I'll let you know. And I think that Oakleys are the real deal. They're the real McCoy, and the lens technology is like, the Prizm is amazing. The lenses are almost like bulletproof, shatterproof, which is basically having an insurance for your eyes when you're riding bicycles. And since I've been wearing my Oakleys, nothing has got into my eye. I haven't got any more red eye, which is amazing. And on top of that, I really like them. I really like the Sutro. I like the 70s look of these things versus the other glasses. They are assembled in America, in the USA. So overall, I give them a 10. So this is the Oakley Sutro gold 24 gold lens, and it has the matching gold here, and it has the matching gold there. Great product. It does come with a case. It does come with a case like this. It does come with a carrier and something to clean it with. I kind of like the Sutro lights a little bit better than the regular Sutro, because the Sutro lights are lighter. They don't have the bottom frame. They do have a little extra rubber here, which the Sutro doesn't, and this makes it a little bit more comfortable, but these are pretty comfortable in my book. Okay, if you have any questions about them, leave me a comment below. I'll be happy to answer them for you. Always remember, you're braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, smarter than you think, and twice as beautiful as you ever imagined. Romy, peace.